Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. In this session, we are gonna continue the employee onboarding application. So in previous session, we have saw about how to create multiple users, how to create application page and admin page. Now in this session, we are gonna learn about task definition. So go to your application. In that, click on chat components and then click at the bottom task definition. You can able to see the create page. Since I have already created, now I will let you know how to create this. So click on create and give the name as IT setup, static ID as IT setup, subject as IT setup task for and employee name. Priority I have given it as to employee, too high. Okay, also then I have given that they have already given the task definition page URL. So now you have to click on apply changes. Okay, so after this go back to task definition. Again you have to click create. So name, how you have to create it means you have to click it as IT setup and then type it should be of action flow, and then next in subject you have to give the subject name. Okay, how to give the subject name means IT setup. So like this you have to give the IT setup tasks, setup task for whom we are creating. Okay, whatever name you want you can able to give it. So here I have given the name as IT setup task for an employee name. Okay, next static ID. That is I have given it as IT setup and then priority too high. Next click on create. You can able to see your IT setup page has been now created. So this is how you have to create it. After this what you have to do is go to settings and there enable SQL query. So you have to type it, select start from employees where employee ID is equal to is to apex task pk. Okay, so click on validation. After this click apply changes. First for IT setup we have created one automation, so like this we have to create another. So before going into another, so you have to do some changes in participants. You have to write this query there. I will be giving you select upper E first name from employee E, join department D on employee on E department ID is equal to department ID where D name is equal to IT. Okay, like this you have to give it and you have to go to parameters and you have to type it. Okay, so department, email, employee ID, employee name, all this you have to type it manually by clicking add row. So by clicking on add row you can able to get the rows and you can able to type the names here. So this is how you have to do the IT setup. So this is how you have to give the task definitions. Why we are giving this means then only the workflow and IT setup will be handled according to it. So next for allocating task, how you have to do means like the same ways you have to click create and like this you have to create it. Okay, so here the name will be of allocate trainings, static ID is allocate trainings and the subject is allocate training for an employee E. Here I am giving the priority as 2 medium. In the previous for IT setup I have given 2 setup. So next you have to click changes. Now you should not turn on the SQL query. Okay, so next go to your settings and you can able to see the task definition page URL. Okay, so now you have what you have to do means you have to click apply changes. Okay, so next you have to click on that question mark like that. Okay, something will appear, you have to click OK. So next the priority, after that you have to click on it. So next SQL query you have to go and select start from employee trainings where employee ID is equal to apex and task pk. So like this you have to give it and you have to go to participants. You have to click add row. Like this also you have to give query, select upper first name from employees and here where employee ID is equal to IT. Like this you have to create it. And also for parameters you have to click on add rows and you have to add email and employee name there, and then you have to go for deadline. Here due date is on interval and due on interval P2D should be P and D should be a capital, expiry date renew and the renew count it should be 3. Okay, so this is how you have to create the next one. So after clicking on it you have to click on apply changes. After apply changes you can able to see the allocate trainings has been created. Okay, so this is how you have to create it and go to actions there. In actions you have to click on the pencil icon. So in pencil icon you have to click on it. So after clicking the pencil icon you can able to get some page. Okay, so add action. So first you have to click on add action and you have to add this action. You should not click on pencil because you have not yet added. Okay, so how to do means you have to click on add actions. So in the action name, send email, type send email. You have to choose it. After this only the pen icon will be applied here. So on event it is before expiry, and here you have to give the from an app email to an app email, and subject you have to give it like upcoming training task. So like this, and the body also I will be giving the description. You can check on the first video. I have shared the description there. So at last don't forget to click on apply changes, then only the all changes will be made there. So after this you have to click on apply changes. So after this you can go to the shared task definitions. So if you go to the task definition you can able to see. So thank you for your attention till now. Also if you found this video was useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.